Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into tackling the dreaded application encountered an unrecoverable error message. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive guide, covering troubleshooting techniques, common causes, debugging strategies, and code examples to help you identify and resolve these errors in your applications. Understanding the error. Application encountered an unrecoverable error is a generic error message that signifies a severe problem within your application's execution, preventing it from continuing its normal operation. The application is forced to terminate to prevent further damage or unpredictable behavior. The message is usually accompanied by an error code, which gives you a better idea of what went wrong. General troubleshooting steps, applicable to most applications. Before delving into specific programming languages and code examples, here's a general troubleshooting workflow that applies broadly. 1. Read the error message carefully. This sounds obvious, but take a moment to thoroughly read the entire error message. Look for *error code